Google Chrome is a versatile tool, so one of the things that you can use it for is to open up PDF documents. So here I have Google Chrome right here, so I'm just going to go around and drag my Explorer window right here. So on the left side you can see that I got a lot of PDF files. If I were to click and drag this out right here onto Chrome, then it'll open up a new tab and open up PDF Reader right inside of the Google Chrome browser. So you can access out the page right here. You can minimize and expand this out. You can view it just like this, and you can also go around and then expand this out right here. You can rotate out the pages as well. You can download this if you're viewing it online, print this out, and access other options like two-page view and so forth. So if I were to go around right here, click and drag this around right here, this is how it works. So I can go around onto test just like this. I can go around into test right here. I can go around into TutorTube right here. So I can just open out the PDF format just like this. If you want to set Chrome as a default browser, you can right click on the PDF file, go to properties, and then you can change the default viewer into Google Chrome as well. So you can scroll down, you can choose Google Chrome, press OK and OK right here. Now you can see that the default app to view the PDF file is PDF. So if you were to open this, it'll just open it out like this in Google Chrome browser. And that is how you can use Google Chrome browser as a PDF viewer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.